If you own a diesel vehicle, you're making a critical mistake that's costing you thousands in repairs. Most diesel owners operate their engines completely wrong, and today I'm revealing the exact RPM numbers that could save your engine. Hit that like button, subscribe for more diesel tips, and comment your RPM questions below. The biggest diesel driving myth. The most dangerous myth is keeping RPMs as low as possible to save fuel. Most diesel drivers cruise at 1200 to 1500 RPM, thinking they're being gentle, but they're actually destroying their engine. This low RPM approach creates carbon buildup, turbo problems, and premature engine wear. When you operate under load at these low RPMs, you're creating incomplete combustion that damages critical components. How diesel engines actually work. Diesel engines use compression ignition, and diesel fuel burns slower than gasoline. This slower burn is perfect at around 1800 RPM, where combustion has enough time to complete fully. Below this range, especially under load, diesel doesn't burn completely, creating carbon deposits throughout your engine. At 1800 RPM, fuel burns completely, extracting maximum energy from every drop. The carbon buildup problem. Low RPM operation under load causes carbon buildup on pistons, cylinder walls, intake valves, and fuel injectors. This black material acts like insulation, creating hotspots that cause overheating and uneven combustion. Over time, these hotspots lead to cracked pistons and warped cylinder heads. Engines without cleaning systems, or those that idle, frequently suffer the most damage. Turbocharger damage from low RPM operation. Modern diesels have turbochargers that need exhaust gas flow to create boost pressure. At low RPMs, there isn't enough exhaust energy to spool the turbo properly. When you suddenly need power for hills or merging, the turbo isn't ready, causing poor performance and dangerous exhaust temperature. This high load, low RPM combination is the fastest way to damage your turbocharger. Understanding exhaust gas temperature. Low RPM operation under load causes exhaust gas temperatures to exceed 1400 degrees Fahrenheit. These extreme temperatures cook your engine components, causing premature wear and potential failure. Professional mechanics know that high EGT combined with low RPM operation is a major cause of diesel engine failure. Monitoring EGT through proper RPM management is crucial for engine longevity. The optimal RPM range for diesel engines. Most diesel engines operate best between 1800 and 3000 RPM. Some heavy-duty engines prefer 1600 to 2200 RPM, so check your manufacturer's guidance. At 1800 RPM, combustion aligns perfectly with piston stroke, fuel burns completely, the turbo stays spooled, and exhaust temperatures remain safe. For highway cruising, target 2000 to 2500 RPM, depending on your engine's gearing and torque curve. If this video is helping you understand diesel engines, hit that like button and subscribe for more content that saves you money on repairs. Practical RPM guidelines for different driving. For city driving, keep your engine above 1800 RPM to prevent carbon buildup. When towing or climbing hills, let RPM climb to 2500 or 3000 RPM since your engine is designed for high demand situations. This changes gear selection completely. Instead of always using the highest gear, downshift to maintain proper RPMs. For automatics, use sport mode or manual shift options. If you're cruising at 65 mph with 1400 RPM in 6th gear, drop to 5th gear and run at 2200 RPM for healthier operation. Fuel economy truth. Higher RPMs don't hurt fuel economy when done correctly. While higher RPMs use more fuel per minute, operating in the optimal range improves overall efficiency through complete combustion. When diesel burns completely, you extract maximum energy from every gallon. Low RPM operation with incomplete combustion wastes fuel, turning unburned diesel into carbon deposits and heat instead of useful work. Cold start procedures. When starting your diesel, let it idle for 30 to 60 seconds, then drive gently for the first few minutes. Gradually increase RPM as the engine warms up. Don't jump straight to optimal RPMs with a cold engine, as this causes thermal shock and inadequate lubrication. This gradual warm-up ensures proper oil circulation and prevents damage while preparing your engine for efficient operation. Your diesel engine is designed to work in its optimal RPM range, not barely idle along. Operating between 1800 and 3000 RPM RPM isn't damaging your engine, but allowing it to function as intended. Stop babying your diesel with ultra-low RPMs, and start operating it properly. Keep it above 1800 RPM, target 2000 to 2500 for cruising, and don't fear higher RPMs when you need power. Your engine will reward you with better performance, fuel economy, and lower repair costs. If this helped you understand proper diesel operation, smash that like button, subscribe for more money-saving content, and share this with other diesel owners. Comment your diesel experiences or RPM questions below.